guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having issues with using the Instagram video selfie verification, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you need to do, and maybe you need to try here to see if it solves your problem. So first things first is you want to guarantee that you are using the latest version of the app. So you want to go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, and basically search for Instagram. And basically, if you do see some update on it, you want to make sure to install that. Sometimes apps in your mobile device may not automatically update the app itself, so visiting them regularly if you're using it frequently here on Google Play Store can actually help you a lot. So basically, if you do see the install or update button here, go just click on it, wait for a few seconds, and see if that solves your issue. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you want to maybe clear your cache on your Instagram app. So you want to look at the Instagram app here, press and hold on it, and you want to go ahead and click on the eye icon that appears. And from here, you want to go ahead and basically go to the bottom right, click on clear data, click on clear cache, and okay. Now from here, you want to go ahead and close the Instagram app, click on force stop here, and go ahead and open it up again and see if that solves the issue. Now, also, you might want to visit your app permissions, and you just want to make sure that camera has, or you've allowed access to your camera here for the Instagram app. Now, if you haven't allowed access on the Instagram app here, this will cause issues with video selfie, which in this case is not what we're looking for. So again, just make sure your camera has appropriate access here to your Instagram account or your Instagram app. Now, also, you might want to take a note your interconnectivity. So if you have like slow interconnectivity or you have very low signal. So in this case, if like for example, you're using mobile data and you see like you have like 1 bar, 2 bars on it, you might want to move somewhere else, like maybe move to a window just to see if you have like better signal for that. And also, if you're using Wi-Fi connection, you might want to change to a different one. Maybe use your mobile data instead and see if that actually helps. Sometimes if you have like slow interconnection, this can affect the actual feature or Instagram video selfie verification. So again, that's not what we are trying to fix that. So go ahead and basically fix your interconnection. But yeah, so those are the things that you could try here to probably solve this issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.